begin pumping, place the breast shield gently over your breast, ensuring the nipple is centered in the tunnel. The shield should fit snugly without causing discomfort. Start pumping by gently squeezing and releasing the suction part of the pump. Begin with slow, light squeezes to stimulate milk letdown. After about 1 minute, when milk begins to flow, continue pumping in a steady and comfortable rhythm. Adjust the pressure by squeezing more gently or firmly, depending on what feels right for you. Pumping should never be painful. Continue until milk flow slows and the breast feels softer and well emptied.